here, Bizza, and how'd you come from a portal?
Well, actually, I'm future Bizza, and I'm here to warn you about something.
Wait. Okay, so you're from the future?
Yeah.
Okay. How am I supposed to know that?
Look, you can trust me, alright? I am from the future. My watch even says so.
Okay, so what do you want?
Dude, if you open the shed, you're going to die, because a bunch of tools are gonna fall out
You
on
think
you.
I'm gonna die from opening a shed? Just let me do my thing.
Dude, don't open the shed, alright?
Okay, if you're not gonna listen to me, I don't care if you're from the future or not. Alright? Back up!
That's enough of that guy.